down here, about 3,000 feet. Next time we talk to you, we're gonna be way up there. Mike and Dan, we just came shredding down some asphalt with some knobbies.
Oh yeah.
Thoughts? How are the brakes?
Amazing.
The brakes are amazing. Yeah, the setup, the brakes, and the suspension are amazing.
And these knobby tires, the Anarchy tires, are a radial, so you hear them a little bit, but from a performance standpoint, I thought they performed really well.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, you just compensate a little bit differently than you used to on your normal tire.
But they stick.
What was that?
They stick, though.
Oh yeah, for sure, absolutely. Oh yeah.
Yeah, we had some nice pavements. We were able with some nice twisties, nice corners. So you could really lean
we
it
were
over
just-
and feel it.
And how amazing is it out here to experience it on asphalt, and now we get to go play in the dirt. So we can take a Harley from out there, ripping some asphalt, and now head up top of that mountain over there
There's still no water fountains.
and eat some Sammys.
What was that?
And eat some Sammys. Like Drake said, we started from the bottom. Now we're here.
Now we're here.
Started down there, came up all these dirt switchbacks. And here we are.
Woo!
Secret to not going off that is to not look when you're riding. You go where you focus. So you don't focus on rocks, you don't focus on what's directly in front of you, you look ahead and you roll and you be safe. But this is amazing. And all done. Mike, Dan, Pan America.
Popo.